Hello, everybody. This is Brett Norman. Today is January 8th, 2019, and I have a book for you that is available on archive.org. I have a link in the description box. I uploaded it tonight. The book is The Divine Program of the World's History. And in this book are all kinds of very, very interesting points. So many I could never go over even part of them right now. Jörg Listman and I are possibly going to be doing some readings from this book soon, I would hope. And I'll try and get those uploads done of more of the book reading of the Great Exodus, or the time of the end. How near are we to it? Now, I had mentioned to Jörg that I would like to read this book in conjunction with that reading, and I just want to open this up to everyone else on my channel that are subscribed, my subscribers, and see what you think. Leave me your comments about this. Just give you an example. If any of you have listened to that series, the second, I think it was the second upload I did, we were talking about the two witnesses. And there's two different sections of this book. This one right here that I have in my hand right now, The Divine Program of the World's History, this PDF. Now, if you click on the link, you'll see the first 70 pages are the first part of the book, and the next, 220 pages are the second part of the book. So you go pages 1 through 70, and then it starts from 1 to 224 from that point. And then there's some interesting artwork at the very end of the book. Now, if you want to just open that PDF up and take a look at it, there is a portion here on the two witnesses. Very interesting what it has to say, and I went over that with Jörg, and I think that we're really thinking that this is a really great book to start with before going any further into James Aiken Wiley's book, because it kind of brings us up to speed with all of the lost teachings. This book was probably put out in 1920, I'm guessing, around there, maybe even later. So it goes over some of the Protestant Truth Society. Albert Close wrote that book too, Rome Behind the Great War. Or no, I'm sorry, that was J.A. Kensett, but there's both from the Protestant Truth Society, and parts of that same line of thinking is in this book. So a lot of really good lessons to learn. I'm not saying everything is correct in this book at all. It's just something to study, something to think about. But I'll tell you what, I think that there are a lot of really, really good things to consider in this book. And I think if Jörg and I went through this, we could iron out a lot of the problems that we're having in reading James Aiken Wiley's book from 1865. I think it would clear up a lot of things, and then also give us a little bit better scope of the topic of James Aiken Wiley's book anyway, because I see it running parallel with that. So anyway, I just thought I'd run that by everybody. Wish everyone a pleasant week here, and we'll catch up soon. Bye-bye for now.